Hello friends, what's up? I hope you guys are doing well. In the last video I showed you about generic method and I got a lot of responses from you guys in WhatsApp, in Facebook, and I really appreciate these comments from you. So I plan to do something related to the previous video, which is generic class. Okay, so first of all I'd like to say what a generic class is. It's pretty much like a class that provides both runtime and compile time safety. Let's say you sell your software to your clients and your client puts something wrong data. Let's say he is supposed to print, put integer, instead he put string. So it's kind of, like a messed up thing. So if you do your coding in a normal way, then your program or your software should give him an error. So in order to avoid these circumstances, what Java introduces is the generic class. So in the generic class, you can, like without defining, you can put anything, any values you want, but you must have to specify it that you will be working on different kinds of data type. So that will be pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and do the coding. So here we have a normal class, public class Shopno So we'll make it as a generic type. So we are putting t here. So go ahead and so you can name it anything you want. It doesn't matter actually. I prefer t. That's why I put t here. So go ahead and take an instance variable, private t, and the type is t. This means any type of variable I will be taking. It doesn't matter. Okay. So let's go ahead and declare a constructor. So define, initialize the type of your instance variable in the constructor. Okay, so this dot type equal type. All right. We'll be taking another method for printing the type value. So we'll be do it in normal way. Public void display println you have written this. All right, that's all. So go to the main method and call your class, which is shopno okay. So what kind of data you will be working on? Let's say we'll be working on integer. So put it here, integer s equal new shopno. So the same thing here, integer. Okay, so put a value here, let's say 20, since I'm 20 years old. So go ahead and try to display it. Yes, you have written 20. So this is our value. All right, so let me tell you how this works. You have declared a class which is generic type. So you have taken an instance variable which is t. Okay, so the type is t. You haven't defined it, so you are initializing these things in the constructor, and after that you are calling this method which is display, which will display your data. So here we are calling shopno and we are defining that we'll be working on integer type of data, and this is object. So we are putting the value in the constructor which is 20. So then we are calling the display method. That is how it works. Okay, so what if we would like to print something else like name? Will it work? Let's see. Go ahead and check it out. We'll not go to the shopno class. We'll remain in this class. So let's see whether it's works or not. String Shaheen. Yeah, let's go ahead and try it. Yes, you have written Shaheen. Yes, it does work. So that is the function of a generic class. Now I will be talking about more argument in the generic class, more parameter in the generic class type. Let's say I would like to print Shaheen 20. My name is Shine and I'm 20 years old. So I would like to describe myself in this way. So how do we will do it? So here in this class we will take two kind of data, which is T1 and T2. Okay, so we'll take two instance variables, private T1 type, private T2 type 2. Oh my god, I'm so stuck with my new keyboard. Okay, T1 type 1 and T2 type 2. All right, so type 1 equal, make sure put it type 1 here. Okay, this dot, come on, type 2 equal type 2. All right, okay, here we'll copy the things, paste it here. Okay, there you go. Okay, so now come to the main method, and as I told you that we'll be describing my name and my age. So my name is string, my name is string, and my age is an integer. Okay, so first one is string and second one is integer. Integer 20. Okay, go ahead and try it. Yeah, you have written Shaheen, you have written 20. Okay, pretty awesome, isn't it? So let me recap one more time. How does this work? We are defining two type of data, okay, T1 and T2, and we haven't decided that what kind of data we'll be working on, because that will be decided in the main class, main method. Okay, so this is type 1 and this is type 2, and we are initializing these two type of data here, and we are printing this. Okay, so we will not tell them that what kind of data. It can be integer, it can be string, it can be string, it can be integer, it can be character, anything, it doesn't matter, but you have to do according to the way, I mean according to the program. I mean, yeah, that's right. Yeah, so here we are defining that the first data will be string and the second data will be integer. All right, and we are naming it as, then we are sending the two values. We have to do it also here. So here putting Shaheen and putting 20, then we are displaying it. So that's how it works. So if you guys have any queries or any problems or any information to know, then please let me know that you have problem that portion, so I'll try to help you guys out. And if you have any problem in a specific task, you can tell me that you are having problem with that particular thing. I will try to make it as easier as possible for you guys. So thank you for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.